Hello student, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today we will start. Today we will learn here the chemistry in chemistry compound. How we will make the compound and how we will write the compound in the chemical formulas. So compound and chemical formula. Compound and the chemical formulas. Compound units. What is compound? First of all, we will try to define the compound. Compound. Right here, a heading of compounds. So what is compounds? Compounds. The atoms makes molecule and two or more than two molecules, two or more than two molecules combined in definite ratio called compound. Compound in definite ratio called compounds means that suppose that I will give you example here. So I will try to give you examples. With the help of the example we will try to understand what is the compound and how we will understand these compounds. Any compounds, we will suppose that we have to take the any compounds and we don't know the name. Suppose that I have taken the elements names. Element names here. First element names. Element names either in the form of the atoms or molecules. Here are two elements in the form of the atoms and the molecules. We had already defined what is the atoms and what is difference between atoms and the molecules. So first of all we will try here to understand that what is atoms and what is molecules. We had already know about the atoms and molecules. Here we will try, if suppose that we are taking the atoms, we are taking the molecules, because we know the molecules and the atoms. Atoms is a free form of the elements and the molecule is a stable form of elements. It is not in a free form of the element. So we cannot say that it's a atoms and we cannot say that it's a molecule. Okay. So here suppose that in this example I will take the example. Suppose that this is the O2, here is molecules, and O it's atoms, H it's a molecules, and S2 this is H this is atoms, S2 this is molecules, and yes it is molecule atoms, and S8 or S2 or S4 these are the molecules. So we can say that the molecule is in a stable form, and its molecule is always stable. Sorry, unstable is atoms and stable is molecules. So we can say that we here also try to understand that what is the how we will make the formula. So I'm going to give you the example of the one equation. Suppose that I have to write the water formula of water. Formula of water. Formula of water. So water contains, you know that water contains, what does the water contains? Water contains hydrogen and oxygen. So water is oxygen and hydrogen. It's a definite ratio. Definite ratio. We don't know. Definite ratio we don't know. So what will we do? We will write the per compounds. Each have us electrons and each have a protons, but per compound electronics bondings and oxidation reductions numbers. We will write here oxidation and oxidation number of element or atoms or molecule per compound, sorry, of elements or molecule per atoms or molecules. So water is here, so we have taken the water is here. So again we will write here hydrogen is first compound, first elements, and the oxygen is second elements. Hydrogen is the first number of the atomic number is 1, and its electronic configuration is also 1, and the contents charges here is 1. So oxidation number is 1, and the oxygen oxidation number is 2. So in cross multiplications we will give the oxidation number of oxygen to the hydrogens, and the hydrogens oxidation number of hydrogen to the oxygen in per compound. So if we will write here H2 and O, H2 and O1, and we will write here so in just below the we can say it's below the footer part. Footer of the H it will be S2, and the footer of the O will be 1. So we do not write any compounds numbers if it have oxidation number 1 or oxidation number is equal, then we will cross out and remove all the things will be same. So oxidation number here is the we cannot write here the 1 of oxygen. So the water molecule formula of water will be formula of water is H2. So here is the formula of water. Suppose that we have to take the formula of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Second example. Example second. Formula. So write the formula of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydro means hydrogens. Hydro means hydro. Hydrogen. Chloric means chlorine. Chloric means Cl. So we will write the oxidation number of these compounds. So oxidation number of the hydrogen is +1 and the chlorine is -1. So we will say, I have already told you that if the oxidation number of the both compounds and the both elements of any compounds is same, then we will count it out and reduce and remove it. So one cannot written here as a footer. So 1 H1 -1 and the Cl. We don't write minus and plus. Cl is 1 also. So H footer 1, Cl footer 1, then HCl. This is the formula of hydrochloric acid. Second and the third example we will try to take here the example. Let's have example third. Example third we will take here sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium means sodium stands for Na, and hydroxide stands for OH. So here we will write the formula of OH and H. We understand OH and H. OH is the formula. OH and H. We will write here Na and OH. Na contains +1 and OH contains -1. So we will write here NaOH. Okay. So sodium hydroxide formula is here NaOH. Let's say example 4. Suppose that let's have an example. Let's have an example 4. Suppose that we have to write here suppose that's what we will do. Aluminum chloride. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium stand for aluminium stand for Al, and the chloride stand for Cl. So we'll write here Al content +3 and chloride content -1. So So we will write here AlCl3. Okay, I will write this here the formula. That's one. This is the example, and we have given the example. So later example is available here in the chemistry. Many compounds we can form on the basis of this one methods we can form, and also have more examples related to the compounds, and we can write if any person tell me and tell us the name of the any compounds, we can write it on the basis of the elements, and there is symbols, and writing the oxidation number of the per compounds. So here is the oxidation numbers, oxidation number and reaction number. We know this the per compounds is a plus and a minus. It's a conform oxidation numbers. You have to know that. Always remember that what is the oxidation number of the per compound. On the basis of oxidation number, we can write any formula of any compounds. Thank you very much for coming on my channels. I am very much pleased to you that you are looking my videos and watching it on my YouTube channels. Please do share, comments, subscribes, and follow the rules. Thank you very much. Thank you.